Hello everyone, my name is Pablo and I welcome you to BAR. Today we are going to analyze a really interesting project that you can't miss. As you know, and as a part of our methodology, in the description of the video you have access to the free download link of the documents we have prepared for you. This time it's a main document of 37 pages and a single page summary document which will allow you to have at your disposal all the information on the project we present to you today, together with the official references you can refer to in order to continue your own research. So get comfortable and get ready to start. As you can see in the main document, today we are going to analyze for you the basic attention token. We use the acronym BAT. In the documents we have prepared for you, you can find all the information you need, the introduction and the objectives, the technical documentation, white paper, the team and the developers behind the project, as well as the partners and main alliance it has, its main application of uses, as well as the activity and site of the community behind BAT. We have also collected the roadmap drawn up to analyze its course. Additionally, you have at your disposal the remarkable news and the main frequently asked questions that you can use to clarify doubts. Finally, you can find our own conclusions about this extraordinary project that you have the opportunity to know today. Also, as you can see in the summary document, you will have within your list, in addition to the main characteristics, the market data that this project currently has. All this for you totally free and only here in BAR. So if you find this interesting and if you find value in the content we provide, subscribe and support the channel by sharing this information with your contacts so that this content can reach the largest possible number of users. I also remind you that you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram through the name of the channel or the direct link that you have configured at the bottom right of the channel's banner. And now we begin. BAT is the new token for the digital advertising industry. It pays publishers for their content and users for their attention, while providing advertisers with more in return for their ads. Brendan H., creator of JavaScript and Mozilla, is its founder and started this project in 2017, which was able to detect a real problem in the advertising market. According to its creators, digital advertising is broken. It's a market full of intermediaries, which harms users, publishers and advertisers. BAT radically improves the efficiency of digital advertising, creating a new token that can be exchanged between publishers, advertisers and users. Let's see now in this little 3 minutes clip what its founders say and get an idea of what this project is all about.
I'm Brendan Eich. I created JavaScript at Netscape, then founded the Mozilla project in Firefox. I'm now doing Brave as a new browser and a new system for properly valuing user attention. Brave Software is introducing an innovative solution, blockchain-based digital advertising. Online advertising was once simpler. It consisted of advertisers, publishers, and users. Digital advertising has evolved into an opaque and inefficient marketplace. Publishers, advertisers, and users are all being harmed by this system. It's hard to believe, but we're paying to be bothered by ads. Our mobile phone bill is going toward all the bandwidth spent on ads and trackers, up to $23 a month, according to the New York Times. Popular media sites we've seen have as many as 70 trackers calling out, using your battery, slowing down the page load, increasing your data costs. Users are now trying to protect themselves with ad blocking. It's on over 600 million phones and desktops and rising. So we realized something needed to be done. We think the solution must involve a decentralized, transparent, digital ad exchange based on the blockchain. Brave is implementing this in stages. Our first stage is already in the Brave browser, which blocks ads and trackers, but also have a ledger system for rewarding sites based on user attention. The second phase is where we try to move toward decentralized ad exchange, and that must involve a new kind of currency for user attention, and that's the basic attention token. The token is derived from, and therefore denominates, user attention. Attention is really just focused mental engagement on an advertisement, on great content, on whatever the user is looking at. The browser can anonymously and privately monitor your attention as you view pages in tabs, and it can do this in a way that is highly accurate and highly private. We think this is essential to avoiding fraud and malvertising problems in the current ecosystem. Publishers will receive tokens when ads are viewed. Users also get a share for their attention if they choose to receive ads. From that share, they can then donate back to publishers they wish to support. We also see publishers being paid in tokens, able to use those tokens to reward users to promote their content. And if they like, they could charge for premium content that is paid in tokens. The BAT should become a new standard that's used in the entire advertising ecosystem. We believe that this combination of blockchain, smart contract, browser analytics, and accountable open source code and auditability is the future of advertising on the internet.
The technical documentation white paper was published on March 13, 2018 and proposed the BAT as a token of exchange in a secure, anonymous, opt-in advertising system based in the browser and the mobile app web view. The study shown in the technical documentation show us the sites most frequently affected by malicious advertising, and we can see that information and entertainment are the sector more affected. This has meant that in recent years, the growth of blockers in browsers has grown exponentially on all types of devices and all types of operating systems. In addition, the sector's revenue are monopolized by large corporations, which control practically the entire growth rate of the sector. Regarding the situation, BAT emerged as a token within the Ethereum blockchain, which make a distribution of its budget's allocation focused in this order: on development, contingencies, marketing, contractors, and administration. The process developed by BAT is the following. On the one hand, the advertiser pays a price, XA, for broadcasting its ad. On the other hand, users and the BAT platform receive a part of the price paid by the advertiser, XU and XB respectively. Finally, the publisher will receive the remaining amount, XP. Therefore, this decentralized system allows everyone to benefit. Firstly, the advertiser pays lowest fee for broadcasting his ads, since there is no centralized corporation that keeps all the profits or impose abusive prices. Secondly, the user receives a part of the price paid by the advertiser in BAT tokens for his attention when viewing ads, as well as the BAT platform receives another part of the tokens for exposing ads. Finally, the published or creator of content receives the final difference and can also benefit from the tips or support he or she may receive from user from the content he or she creates or for the work he does, since users can freely decide which media, channel or people they support with the BAT token they have been rewarded with. In addition, BAT has a complete and efficient team of developers and work that supports the project. Among them, we would like to highlight the following: Brian Bondi, co-founder, browser engineering lead, previously Khan Academy, Mozilla, Evernote. Jan Zhu, security and private engineering, fellow previously in Yahoo, Tor project, Everywhere, or Privacy Budget. Scott Luckin, BAT, Smart Contract, Economics, co-founder of Curve Software, Machine Learning, Forecasting, and Quantitative Finance. And finally, Bradley Richard, Brand and Interaction Design, previously in Fiery and co-creator of Events and Luida. The number of partners and alliances that the project had is conservative if we compare it with other projects located in the crypto space. Therefore, we believe that this is one of the points that BAT has to keep working on. Let's remember that the launching of the BAT project is more recent than of others more consolidated projects in this space, and therefore we understand that this situation is totally natural. Nevertheless, BAT has worked on very important collaboration in which we highlight three. First, March 2020, Brave Browser and Tap Network, the rewards as service technology company, today announced that Brave desktop users can now redeem basic attention tokens for real-world rewards offered by over 250,000 top brands in the Tap network. Second, October 2019, BAT rewards can now be transferred into user Uphold's account. With today's update, Brave Browser for desktop, Brave user can choose to transfer basic attention token out of their Brave Rewards wallet and convert the tokens to many digital assets and fiat currencies after completing a verification process with digital money platform Uphold. Third, August 2019, with Yubico partnership and support for the new Yubico key, Brave is the first web browser to offer secure, phishing-resistant authentication via robust security keys. Regarding its application, this project is very focused on its Brave application, which generates a high dependence between the future of Brave and the future of BAT's token. However, without doubt, the Brave browser is one of the best applications that we can find in the crypto space, with a contrasted real use and with the capacity to be able to change the advertising industry in a total way, and we know it until now. We value this browser very positively, and our experience of use has been fantastic, being highly satisfied with the features it offers. Among its features: 1. Load page 3 to 6 times faster. 2. It's easier to import your old browser settings, so changing them is effortless. 3. Experience unparalleled privacy and security. The Brave browser fights malware and prevents tracking, keeping your information safe and secure. Its servers do not see or store your browsing data, remaining private on your devices. 4. Blocking pop-up ads and malicious and tracking software decreases your device CPU workload, so your computer will run better, faster, and use less power, saving your money and helping to conserve energy. Support your favorite sites with the Brave Rewards programs. If you wish, you can activate the rewards programs and return value to the sites you frequently the most. Earn BAT for viewing privacy respecting ads through the Brave browser and use those tokens to reward the content creators you like, as you decide who you reward with the monthly reward for your attention. This is undoubtedly a revolutionary point of this project that enlarges and enhances the figure of the user and provides with BAT tokens for free so that you can freely reward whoever considers appropriate. For all these above reasons, the potential for use of this application is enormous, and it's undoubtedly a strong point of the project. If you want to try it, you can access the description of the video where we leave the official link to download Brave, which is completely free. If you have any question, please write us in the comments and we will try to answer you all. In addition, the community that supports BAT project is important and growing. However, due to the leisure age of this project compared to others in the crypto space, it still does not reach the levels that other more consolidated cryptocurrencies in the ecosystem may have. Nevertheless, the BAT community manager defines the community as a forum where people who care about the internet and their browsing experience come to discuss among themselves. The goal is to help each other with problems, to make Brave and the internet better. It currently has over 25,000 active users with over 11,000 topics covered and over 119,000 posts posted. The roadmap established several stages for the development of the project. Firstly, the BAT Mercury stage in the summer of 2017, where they are looking to integrate the BAT token wallet into the Brave browser. Secondly, the BAT Gemini stage in the autumn of 2017, where among other objectives, a higher browsing speed is sought, further development and better optimization of browser learning. Thirdly, the BAT Apollo stage in 2018, where real advertising revenue is made, leading to an increase in the number of users. As we have seen, the roadmap is well prepared up to this point, but we nevertheless miss the fact that it is not updated, since in the official references of the project we have not been able to find the roadmap planned for the coming years, a point that we would like to highlight as negative, since a decisive, public and transparent strategy is essential for the project to continue to evolve correctly. Regarding the remarkable news and the frequently asked questions, we summon you to download the documents we have prepared for you. There you will find much more information than what we have shown you in this video, as well as the official references of the project so that you can continue with your research. The price of BAT's token at the time of recording this video is 0.2 USD, with a total cap of 297 million USD, giving it the 32nd position in the crypto market ranking. It should be noted that the highest absolute price it has reached is 0.98 USD, while the lowest absolute price it has held is 0.06 USD. Additionally, it's essential to point out that it does not have a maximum supply, so the current supply of tokens, which currently stand at 1,457 millions, may continue to increase over time, which could generate a devaluation of the token instead of a significant appreciation, as we can see in other well-known projects such as Bitcoin or Litecoin. Finally, we show you our own conclusions. We firmly believe that BAT is one of the most promising projects for the coming years. Here are some reasons. First, BAT responds to a problem of the future. There is nothing wrong with advertising as such. The problem is that the big corporations come to monitor and analyze the behavior of users to offer increasingly specific and intrusive ads. Second, the Brave browser has over 100 million downloads. Unlike many cryptocurrency projects that are based only on great theoretical promises, but nothing concrete, BAT is already a solution that can be used through its Brave browser, which you can download completely free through the link we have left in the video description. Brave is getting a great adoption among users, publishers, and advertisers. Third, it offers very competitive and efficient features. Among we would highlight that it loads pages 3 to 6 times faster than other similar browsers, decreases the workload of your device, producing the consequent energy saving. It fights against malware or prevents tracking, keeping your information safe and secure. Rewards you with bad tokens so you can support the content creator you like the best. Fourth, increasingly strong adoption by publishers. The BAT model aims to achieve a more equitable distribution of advertising revenue among users, advertisers, and publishers. The revenue share of ads is 70% to the publisher, 50% to the internet users, and 50% to the Brave browsers. And that's it. We hope you liked the analysis we offered and that you now have a more complete view of the fantastic BAT project. We encourage you to ask your question in the comments and to continue your research through the free documents we have provided and that you will find in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like and activate the notification bell if you find value in the work we do. Also, share it with your content so that these contents can reach the biggest possible number of users. As always, it has been a pleasure for me just to say goodbye to you and thank you for analyzing this project with me. And I hope to see you again in the next news videos and in the next Analyze projects. Take care and see you.